Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, need to find something to prop y'all up on. Today is Tuesday, so happy Tuesday y'all. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, January the 6th. I have been messing around in my kitchen and I said I forgot to pick my camera up, y'all. Let me close these doors, y'all need to see all going on. Yeah, so I gotta still come back in this room. I started pulling stuff out of the catch-all room, and I said I want to get my kitchen back together because I told y'all I pulled everything out. It's kind of dark, but I pulled everything out of the kitchen. I mean, you know, the stuff out for Christmas. I left some stuff out, some stuff I had in the room. So I was pulling some decor out, which I could turn the camera around and share with y'all. So I said, let me pull some things out so I can start getting my kitchen back together. Y'all know the pineapple and the apple, and y'all know I usually have this pineapple out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. I pulled out a few black pieces because I do want to start incorporating more black. I don't have a lot of black. I do have black decor, but y'all know my room is black. I don't have a lot that's available. So I'm trying to move some things around. And then I said I was going to get me some. Alexa, stop. Anybody tell her to play? Yeah, I got black in my room. Y'all know that. So I don't have a lot of available black pieces. So of decor that's available, you know, for me to use right away. So I just pulled out some stuff that I was already using to put in here. Then I said I'll go through some of my other decor and I'm gonna buy me some black spray paint if it's something that I really like, and I can just spray paint it and use it in here. I did pull these couple of pieces out. I don't even know if I'm gonna use them right away right now, but I just said I wanted to, you know, do some things. Let me pull this out. I did put my pineapple back up there. I didn't put the apple and the pear back up there yet. I haven't put my other pear back up there yet. This is just a mess that's sitting up here right now. I made some water right here that has some Dawn dish soap. I got a little bit of laundry soap in there. I got a little Oxy in here. Same stuff I kind of cleaned my furniture, you know, I cleaned my chairs with. I used some bleach spray. I sprayed my blinds. That's what I made this solution for. And I sprayed the Awesome on top of the blinds. Also on top, I sprayed bleach first and then that. So now all I have to do pretty much is kind of go back over everything, because I sprayed and then and then the solution, and I just take this and go across and wipe everything, you know, and scrub it all off. And yeah, so when I wipe it, because it's like everything just dripping off, you know. So I'm gonna where's my rag? Okay, now let's see. Yeah, much better. All the stickiness. Yeah, early spring cleaning. I'm gonna try to get to the ones on my patio doors also. So just going down the line. But they look so much better. I'm talking about, it was even makeup, like fingerprints from my fingers from makeup also that you could see on the blinds. And I'm like, Now I ain't got to do all this part right here because you ain't gonna see that. These blinds down here up, but I'm just wiping them because I know that some you know, water and stuff got on them. But other than that, you won't see them. It's a lot of water. So I just like one thing at a time. Let me do this. And then one day I'm going to take out the time to do like my window sills and, you know, all that good stuff. But right now I'm like, I'm going to get this done. I want to clean out my I want to clean out my drawers in here in the kitchen. I want to clean all those out and get them all together and everything. I just want to lift them up like that so that water could just drip off of there. But they look so good now. So good. Yeah, so next I'm going to go to the patio doors. And I'm going to do the blinds on there. And then that part will be done. So, yeah. Like I say, a little bit of early spring cleaning. And I'm just trying to put my decor back together in here in the kitchen. So, do y'all want to see me do that? Because if y'all do, I'm going to go ahead and get started with it. Okay, come on, y'all. Let's get started. Okay, y'all. So, I already started. I'm going to close that up some. Okay. Alright, so I already done. Y'all saw me cleaning the blinds and all that stuff. And I done pushed the valances back together how I wanted them to. And I hung my hanging plant, my faux plant that I got from Family Dollar a few years ago. And so I got that hanging back up there. As you can see. I think I'm going to pretty much leave this side like this, I think. So far, I am. When I make my dishwater, I always wash these out. It really don't matter if I do because they going to get washed out. They get washed out before I use them anyways. But, yeah. So, I'm going to do that. And, alright, so I'm going to turn some music on. And I just want to share that with y'all. I'm going to turn some music on and get started.
Wanna make you happy and then she goes 나만 혼자 남겨뒀어 대화가 필요해 너 먼저 나에게 말해봐 너와 나의 이 관계가 달라졌음 해 We're out of time So tell me you want more 지나가버린 추억 너무 잦은 다툼 가끔씩은 지치기도 해 이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 한손들이 난 더 이상 하고 싶지 않아 So baby tell me why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 why not Don't know what to do with you but why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 You and I just wanted more 너와 함께 있을 때 예전엔 안 그랬는데 그냥 집에 가고 싶을 때도 있어 너도 가끔 느끼잖아 우린 예전 같지 않아 너랑 차라리 끝내려고 해 지나가버린 추억 너무 잦은 다툼 가끔씩은 지치기도 해 이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 한숨들이 난 더 이상 하고 싶지 않아 So baby tell me why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 why not Don't know what to do with you but why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 You and I just wanted more I don't know how. I guess the soft life made me act right. Big boss, where you make me feel so at ease. Independent, but I follow your lead. Ain't no games we play for keeps. You bought the ring, so tell me, Papa, what do you need? Free in the morning while you getting dressed. Zeus in the evening if you're feeling stressed. Tough by your decisions, I trust. Cause you only want the best for us, baby. I'll be friend on the weekend when we hanging out. A lover on call, boy, I make a vow that you're my number one priority. Just keep giving me all your love. Don't stop giving me all your love. I'm sitting in the palm of your hand. Your wish is my command. Just keep giving me all your love. Guess it took a real man to bring it out of me. Gave me good love, baby, and now I see what a big dog needs. I think it's funny how I wanna be submissive now. What a big dog needs. Funny how I wanna be submissive. Got me making plates and doing dishes. Baby, what you need, I handle business. He called me an old soul, but little do we know that everybody. I should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me. Show me your true colors. I feel I would play the fool. I should've known you would break our rules. I should've known you wasn't ready to be a lover for me. Something like a chameleon at the party, tryna be everyone's type. Look what I started. Writing all of these love songs for somebody else. Posting all of these pictures so downhearted. I lost myself 1,000 times. Please, Lord, don't let it be 1,000 more. A broken angel in disguise. Still searching for the version of you at my core. I swear when I find you, I'll never let you go. I swear when I find you, put on my makeup.